In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your browser bookmark appear in Chrome and then go through how to add different pages to your bookmarks bar. So first thing we want to do is go to a page in Google that we want to bookmark. So in this example, I'm going to use Gmail as a page that I would want to bookmark. So once you're on the page that you want to bookmark in Google, what you'll do is come up to the top of the screen. Next to the URL in this search bar up here, you're going to click the star icon. And as you can see, it says bookmark this tab. So click on that star icon and you'll see this page populate here called Bookmark Added. You can see that you can rename the bookmark and put it in a folder or just your bookmarks bar. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Done. However, you can see that that bookmark does not appear in my bookmarks bar. The reason for that is that my bookmarks bar is not set to appear automatically. So if we want to come in and change that setting, what we'll do is we'll click on the three icons to the right hand side of the screen. We're going to scroll down to Bookmarks, and then we are going to click Show Bookmarks Bar. You can also do this by doing Command-Shift-B, and that will show the bookmarks bar as well. So now anywhere from Chrome, we'll be able to come in and go directly to that bookmark really easily by clicking that button there. So let's do another example here. We're going to pull up a different page and bookmark that as well. So here I have Yahoo Finance pulled up, and let's bookmark this page. So again, I'm going to come up to the upper right hand corner and click this star icon. You can see that here it's going to give it the name of that website, but let's say I just wanted to call this Yahoo Finance. I could rename that and click here. And here we have our bookmarks to be able to access those from anywhere. Let's say though that I want to create a folder for different bookmarks so that I can sort through them. What I'll do is come in and we'll come back to just a regular Google page here. And let's pull up another browser tab that we would want. So let's say we want Google Contacts as another browser tab. We'll come in here and add that as a bookmarks bar. So if we want to add folders, we'll hover over Bookmarks and then go to Bookmarks Manager. Here you'll be able to see all of your bookmarks in Google Chrome. And if you want to sort these into folders, what you can do is click these three dots in the upper right hand corner. Next you'll add New Folder and then give that folder a name. So you might want to bookmark all of your work, tabs in one folder and all your personal in the other. So to get, this is empty right now. So if we wanted to add our bookmarks into that, we can just drag them into this tab here. And you'll be able to, in Chrome, click on that bookmark folder and see all of the bookmarks underneath there. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this or any feedback about what you'd like to see as far as it goes with setting up your computer using Google Chrome and just using technology for business and life in general.